So as you guys saw in the title, we're going to be addressing some things in this video. We're not going to be calling anybody out, but we just want to give you the real facts about our lives and what we have been doing these past couple of months, because we feel like we could be sharing more. So we're going to cut this intro. We'll be right back. Now that you're back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it on YouTube for about 6 to 7 months now. We've been loving it, having a great time, sharing our wins and our losses. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for coming on. We really appreciate you. But today's video, we're going to be just addressing some things that we got in our later video, or we're going to be addressing some things we got in our earlier videos. So let's get right into it.
So first and foremost is you really only get an hour a day of us while we're filming.
Yeah, like we really only film like 10-minute increments throughout the day if we're vlogging, or we only sit down and film for like a half hour if we're doing a desk video. So we can't really implement and share everything that we're doing, but we do as much as we can.
And
that's good.
And we do really care about our taxes. We're very aware of the 1099 PayPal will send out once you hit $20,000 and 200 transactions.
Yeah, it's not that we're scared about that, and it's not that we're trying to avoid that, but we're just not at that point yet, and we know it's going to be coming soon, so we're just going to prepare for it. We have all of our receipts. We keep everything in spreadsheets.
Yes.
We've been keeping track of everything.
Don't worry, guys. Right. And next is going full-time for me was a calculated risk that we took. No, it didn't happen at the perfect timing, but really nothing ever does. But seriously, it was something that we calculated and made sure that it was possible.
Yeah, we spent we spent like 4 months beforehand just tracking our sales, getting our profits, trying to pay our bills and I don't know. So we really spent like 3 months beforehand just really tracking our growth, seeing how much we can make in sales and everything. And no, it wasn't all the way there yet, but we knew if we spent more time into it, we could make it there.
It would happen. And next is something really important, is that in this last video, we did most of our sourcing for more than $1.
Yeah.
Everything that we ever source, mostly, is always on Saturdays at our Goodwills, at our few local Goodwills on Dollar Tag Day.
Where they run deals for $1 on clothing. So we source all of our clothing for $1 because the profit value in that is so much better. So if you want to know more about that, you should definitely just check out our Thrifting for Gold videos, because we buy everything for $1. We say that. We know, yeah, we say something's going to sell for $10, but we bought it for $1.
Yeah, so the profit's there for us.
Yeah.
And finally, something we really want to address is we do have more than one source of income.
Yeah.
It's more than just eBay. We have about 8 right now.
Yeah.
But our 2 biggest ones are eBay and YouTube.
Yeah, we've just been hustling. I do a lot of side jobs like landscaping and stuff to make just extra cash. So it's not that we just went full in with just eBay and our eBay store wasn't there yet. We went full in with multiple streams of income. Like pretty much we have about 8 if we can really add them up. We said that in one of our live streams.
Yeah.
But we really that's okay.
And another thing is Martin constantly focuses on YouTube and social media and networking, whereas I'm constantly focusing on listing, cross-listing, whatever. So we're not splitting our time up trying to do all of these at once. We each kind of have our own.
Yeah. So she spends about 10 hours a day on just eBay. I'll spend 10 hours a day on just YouTube. And that's pretty much, we spend 24 hours. We never stop, guys.
No.
If you really are following us and you really do follow us on Instagram and everything, you see that we are constantly non-stop hustling.
Yes. And we really do appreciate all the feedback from you guys.
Yes.
It's just something we wanted to take the time and talk about and tell you guys that we're not blindsided by this. We really do know what we're talking about.
Yeah, we're not giving you any bullshit.
No. But on that note, that was it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So say, but on that note.
But on that note,
we're going to be ending this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like we said, we're not trying to call you guys out. We're just giving you the gist and we're just giving you the gist and the reality of what our videos are and what we've been doing. We are full-time at it, We are hustling every single day. I know it seems like maybe we're not, but we really are. So thank you guys for watching, and we want to give a big thanks to all the of Reyes subscribers who came to our channel. We really appreciate you guys subscribing to us. It means the world to us. So thank you for watching. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Peace.